Hello students. Today the very important topics the internet. Okay. So what is internet? Nowadays the internet is every walk of life. Without internet we can't do anything. Okay. So what is internet? Before this we have to know about the network. Okay. Many people always discussing about the network. What is network? So network means what? That two or more things. Suppose two device here. Okay. And sharing something, sharing and receiving something. That is sharing and retrieve the data. That means two or more devices which are connected to each other and share the information between one to another. That is called network. Okay. So here that is network is the what? In the sense of internet, the network is the smallest individual part of the internet. Okay. So how make an internet? That is so many networks are connected to, in the large area. So that is simply is called, it is internet. Easily you can say internet is what? Network of network. Okay, that means large network of network is called what? Internet. Okay, so here that is internet. So simply we can say the internet is what? That is two or more devices which are connected to each other and share the information between one to another in all around the world. That is called internet. Okay. So here that is we are using the internet. So in this chapter we are discussing about the internet and what are the advantages of internet and what are the disadvantages of internet. Okay. So when we you will come on the slides, easily we'll understand using the slideshow. Okay, and contents of the internet and what are the disadvantages and advantages of the internet we will discuss on that. So come on the slides. Okay. So in these slides we will discuss about the internet and its advantages and disadvantages. So we have already discussed about the internet. What is internet? Okay. So internet means that is what? In this slides we will discuss the topic. First of all, discuss the content of the chapter. What are the contents? First of all, we discuss about the internet. What is internet? Then after, what are the different types of advantages? Then after that, disadvantages of computer. Okay. So internet means what? We will discuss about that internet. What is internet? That internet is the source of information. That means simply you can say that two or more devices which are connected to each other and share the information between one to another in all around the world. That is called internet. Okay. So here that is internet means what? The network of computer which connects many different types of computers in all over the world to share the data. Information is known as internet. So internet is a vast network that connects computer all over the world, and through the internet people can share information and communicate from anywhere, and internet connection. Okay, so this is the internet of you. So the internet, then after that, what are the advantages? That so many advantages are there. The internet, while you are using the internet service make many tasks very easy and fast, and the internet service has many good features, and few advantages or features are below. So here the source of entertainments keep formed, online shopping, online educations, all these are the source of information, all these are the advantages of internet. So high speed transmission of data and communication worldwide.
to publish the information on the internet to save time and money. So these are the many kinds of advantages of internet. Okay, so these are the advantages. And what are the disadvantages of internet? Apart from the many advantages, the positive benefits, there are some negative aspects or disadvantages also. Few of them are described below. The waste of time, not safe place for children's, privacy exposure, money frauds. So these are the points of disadvantages. So while working online, many hackers can capture the data produced in a wrong way, and many cyber crimes are taking place by unauthorized persons. And while downloading some information, there may be chance of virus attack that can destroy the stored information on the computer. So these are the disadvantages of computer. So in these slides we have already discussed what is internet, what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages of computer. Okay.